This is a quick video on how to install DLL plugins on Audacity. I'm going to be installing Pan Station by Audio Damage. Here's the download links. I've got it for 32, 64, and for Mac. It's a little different procedure on Mac, but I'm just going to download the 32-bit version. Okay, once I've got that downloaded, then I'm just going to go to my local install disk, my main hard drive. Open that up. Go to program files or program. If you're doing 64-bit, it'll be in here. You'll see Audacity. You'll go to plugins, and you'll just drop it in there. And if you're doing the 32-bit, then it will be in this one, Audacity, plugins. And it's down in here somewhere. You just drop it in there. So all you have to do to make that work, so you just open it up, open plugins, and then you can just go up here to your downloads, grab it, drag it in there. I'll move these so like that. Okay, so now I can just drag. Oh, it's zipped, so grab it here. This should work. Yeah, you drag it in, drop it. It's going to ask me if I want to replace it. I'm just going to tell it skip this file because I've already done this. Okay, but that's it. That's all you got to do. It's pretty simple, pretty quick. After you have dropped it into your file, into your plugins folder under Audacity, you may need to go into Audacity, and Audacity of course opened on a different screen because it wants to be problematic. So you go into Audacity, go to Effects, or go to Analyze Plugin Manager. You may need to find it in here, and so I know it's in here somewhere, but it doesn't matter. You just find it. There's Pan Station, and you may need to highlight it and then click Enable, or you might need to hit Rescan if it's not showing up here. If you had Audacity open, you'll probably have to hit Rescan. But anyways, you want to make sure it's enabled, and then just click OK, and then you should be good to go.